Hey, it's Matthew, and this is a Hot Wheels 2020 Amazon exclusive collector's 5-packs. In this box are the Lamborghini 5-pack, the Car Meet 5-pack, and the HW Flames 5-pack. I put the link in the description below if you want to buy this from Amazon. Just be aware that I've heard that some people aren't getting all three of their order. I've also heard people saying theirs didn't arrive in the collector's box like this. I'm going to take the 5-packs out off camera. So the first is this Car Meet 5-pack. I already made a video on this, so you can check the link in the description below if you want to see it. So let's take a look at the HW Flames 5-pack. So this is a new 5-pack. That says HW Flames on the side. And on the back, this is an international, so you can see it doesn't show like the names on the back. But let's open this up. So the first car is a passing gasser. So this gasser is dark pink or purple, then white and black flames on the side. It says Hot Wheels. And then the engine. This car was designed by Larry Wood and was a super treasure hunt in 2015. So next up is a 71 El Camino. So this car is gray, then of course the flames, pink flames, then the bed. But I wish there was some more flames maybe on the hood, and then it would look more cool. This casting was made in 2010, and lately we see it with flames. So next is the Plymouth Superbird. So this car is a dark blue, then the red flames. It's almost like a red and orange color. And the red outlines on the rims. And then same like the last one, it would be cool if maybe more flames went on the top. The Superbird was designed by Phil Reelman in 2006 and has been a super treasure hunt in 2015 and was an RLC car in 2007. This car is iconic and has been in many different sets. I think it's time for this to be a convention car. So the next car is a 71 Maverick Grabber. So this car is yellow, red flames, and then red outline on the rims, and just another basic car. They all have flames on the side, but still that's why it's called the Flame series. This car was first made in 2010 and was last a multi-pack exclusive in 2019. So the last car is the Roadrunner. So the paint on this is a matte red, then the black stripes, orange around the rim. And this is pretty cool because it has the matte paint. This car was first made in 1998 and we've seen it so many times. This was also designed by Phil Reelman. So now let's take a look at the Lamborghini 5-pack. So the first car is a Lamborghini Veneno. So this car is gold, then two black stripes right here in the front. And this is a really cool car. You can see the headlights and the massive wing. But I still really like this blue Veneno from this exclusive 20-pack. This car has only been made 9 times and we've seen it once as a premium in the Gran Turismo set. So next up is the Lamborghini Huracan LP 620-2 Super Trofeo. This car is blue, then yellow wheels, 63, then the green, white, and red Italian flag, the yellow on top, and I really like the color on this car, then the white stripes in front, and the headlights. Liwei Cheng designed this car and we last saw it in 2019. Super Trofeo means Super Trophy. Super Trofeo is a Lamborghini racing series that takes place every year. So next up is a Lamborghini Murcielago. This is a really sweet car. Then you can see the black stripes and then the orange outline, then SV. And this is a really cool car in my opinion. This car has only been made 2 times and they were in the Speed Machines and the Decade set. I'll try to put a video together for you guys showing the other 2 Mercies along with the real life one. So next we have the Lamborghini Aventador Jay. So this car is matte white, then the 2 black stripes, then 2 seats, steering wheel, and these cool rims. We have seen this car a couple times, but we last saw it as a Super in 2019. So the last car is a Lamborghini Gallardo LP 570-4 Superleggera. So this car is orange, then no tampos on it. It would be cool with maybe some racing tampos, like the one they made earlier of the Huracan. And then the wing is plastic, but I do think they could have done a lot better on the design and then the wheels. This is exactly like the 2013 Nightburners one, but with different wheels. So my favorite cars from these 2 5-packs are the Plymouth Superbird and the Lamborghini Murcielago. These are both really cool cars in my opinion, but I really like the design they did on the Murcielago. So thanks for watching, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me what your favorite cars are from both of these collector's exclusive Amazon 5-packs.